Yeah, Mario was like, well, it's not you, it's me, Mario. I'll see myself out.
Guys, everybody courtesy laugh. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, man.
It's a Subaru.
Since that's dropped off, I would get all your glass and make sure everything's back together on this. And then once we get
Everything except for this door is back together.
I would get this one buttoned up. After we lay this, we'll back out and we'll look it over. And then you can just go about your day and I'll go about my day. Cool.
Look at that, they turn all the lights on and they...
So I got a would you rather question.
Ooh.
Would you rather wrestle an alligator or your dad naked?
Alligator on land or in the water?
We can go with on land.
The worst part about that whole thing is gonna be that back glass.
It's already pulled off. Nah, dude, just spray some tin off on there.
No, it doesn't look like. I mean, I didn't, from the picture, I can't tell.
The adhesive layer's
Still there.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, the adhesive will still be there. But if it's like the BMW where it's separated, then no, that'll be bad. We'll see when it gets to it.
Are you a big musical guy?
I was stage crew for many years when I was in high school. I used to do the...
Hey, can we show the folks at home you playing Don't Stop Believing?
What's that? An 18-year-old video of me playing piano.
Honey bun. That looks good.
Cheers.
Have a bite.
So this guy is getting clear view of everything that he's doing, no matter what time of day, but he's getting 98% heat rejection. So during the day, he's gonna be as cool as possible, as comfortable as possible.
So now I don't have to walk all the way to the back to put this back. Just walk right over here. To keep me from having to walk into the back every time I need any sort of buffing or coating product, John decided to take one of the blue metal shelves that was in our parts area of the shop. The end result, bolted this to the wall yesterday and... Oh, look, it's Godzilla!
Oh, you brought one of those, okay.
Yeah.
I
It's
dig
pretty
it.
easy too, man. Just 3 screws off wall back there.
What is a touch-up stool? What's that mean?
Just where I throw all my tools on my stool.
What should we watch today? I should say, what should we put on for the customers to watch today?
Ghostbusters.
Who are you gonna call? So they used to do, when they started the Grand Tour, they used to do it in a very similar fashion as Top Gear.
Please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
I went to Walgreens, you want that?
I took 1 cup.
Yeah?
Okay. But then I remember our conversation and I said, you know what? I'm gonna go back for 2.
Oh, really?
Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed that. Pineapple, watermelon, grapes, cantaloupe, strawberries. You know, I dug in. It was good. It was refreshing.
Think about it this way. There are very few foods that we eat, humans eat,
that don't need anything. They don't need salt or pepper or oregano or anything. Fruit is one thing that is perfect. Like,
Just
you
a
don't.
good old- I love pineapple.
A lot of times, there's probably a fruit salad. You know what they season fruit salad with?
What's that?
Orange juice.
Really?
More fruit.
More fruits.